Audience all over this world today. And here we have two beautiful contestants. One is Shenseea. Shenseea been doing great work all year long. She's sick. Go and subscribe. Shenseea versus Spice. Which one do you prefer? The current queen of dancehall or the princess of dancehall? Spice been going good internationally. Both artists been going really good internationally. My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience all over the world. It is me, the Fantastic Star, and I'm wondering which one of our contestants do you want to win in this dancehall competition between two queens of the dancehall? Tell me what you think down in the comment box. Like, share, subscribe. Also tell me your favorite song. I like the song with Taurus Riley and Shenseea. What's yours? Yeah, my favorite song of Spice now is Inches because it's such a colorful video. You understand? She say all about the inches, people. Stunting on these, you don't know, itches. Yeah. Get her knees did and stuff. She a say, yeah, me I work for the thing, no nothing. Showing off on some gal and sitting. So she and Shenseea are doing the same thing. Hyping it out, doing it for people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience all over the world. Raw sending it along with a good beverage. Me I tell you, which one of the queen them gonna like more you now? Before the rain start pour you now. Yes. And which one of them you think may make more progress in the dancehall space? Yes, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, the competition is really stiff because as what I said, these are two beautiful women and these are two women who create amazing music. They're also mothers and stuff. I got their career going on and everything going well, my people. So all of you women out there that's not haters, make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe. Big up to Shenseea and Spice. You understand? Two amazing, hot, fresh dancers in the dancehall space. And right now, given that the dancehall is kind of getting female dominant, who is your favorite female artist right now at the moment? Let me know also down below.